Hey, Geeky Science, it's Wednesday. Let's get geeky on hormones. New research from Indiana University shows that artificial hormones used for raising livestock are lingering in the environment far longer than scientists previously thought. The research looks specifically at what's called trenbolone acetate, also known as TBA. It's a man-made version of testosterone. The structure of TBA is close enough to testosterone that a body will process it as though it were testosterone, although the effects are way more extreme. Livestock farmers across the U.S. have been using TBA as a substitute for traditional testosterone so that their cows gain weight faster. It's only one of 5 man-made hormones that are used by livestock farmers across the U.S. to beef up their cattle. TBA is implanted in a cow's ear. The cow then converts that TBA into a related chemical. It's passed through the cow and into our streams and rivers and our watersheds. When scientists first researched TBA and its byproducts, they thought that the hormone didn't have much risk environmentally because the metabolite breaks down in the sunlight. But they were wrong. They assumed that the byproduct would simply break down in the sunlight and there'd be no accumulation in the environment. What they missed is that the chemical breaks down in the sunlight, but it quickly recombines in the dark. That means that for years, these synthetic male hormones have been presumed safe as they've been entering our waterways without any regulation or oversight. Surface waterways, by the way, that 2/3 of Americans drink from, rely on for their drinking water. More importantly, we don't know what impacts TBA and its byproducts have as it enters the waterways and accumulates in animals upwards through the food chain. It's an important study. And these types of studies need to be completed before new chemicals are introduced into our environment. This really makes clear why the precautionary principle, rather than the profit principle, should be applied to anything that has the potential to harm human life. I mean, it's just very, very, very straightforward.